Have you smelled a flower today? Flowers not only add color, texture, and biodiversity to gardens and environments, they are also an important structure for plants and essential food source for many organisms. Flowers are an important means of attracting pollen substances to plants, and plants need to produce seeds. Many flowers are possible to eat, and they have fed and sweetened many generations. The flowers form an integral part of many foods, such as salads and soups, and are also used in jellies, jams, wines, and even tea production. However, some flowers are toxic to humans, so do your homework and know which ones are edible before you eat them. Flower nectar, pollen, and even petals are an important food source for a huge range of animals, from bees and beetles to birds and bats. Many of these animals are vital pollinators to help other plants produce fruit. Honeybees and butterflies love flower gardens. Flowers are a main source of nectar for which these wonderful insects use for food. In the process of retrieving the nectar, they inadvertently collect pollen. Then when they move on to another flower of the same type, they deposit the pollen. This process of pollination is crucial to agriculture and food production because it allows the plants to bear fruit and produce seeds. Without pollination, we wouldn't be able to grow produce, and the world would be in deep trouble. So please be nice to the honeybees. The presence of vibrant and playful flowers can cause happy emotions and instantly affect our mood. Hence, flowers are given when a loved one is sick quite often. Yes, scientific research suggests that having flowers and plants around the hospital can help the patients recover naturally by reducing stress levels and anxiety. Valentine's Day, Mother's Day coming up, wedding, bridal shower, baby shower, birthday, or anniversaries of some sort? Or have you been promoted? Or enjoyed a quiet, unforgettable moment with a loved one? Flower bouquets can turn everyday moments and events into something special. How would we express our deepest emotions without flowers? A study by the University of North Florida found that being around flowers significantly reduces stress and anxiety levels. Their vibrant colors and tranquil beauty trigger our brain's pleasure centers, releasing endorphins, making us feel happier and relaxed and more optimistic. Flowers contribute significantly to our planet's air filtration. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis, helping us breathe. Furthermore, some plants have an added advantage. They are natural air purifiers. NASA's Clean Air Study found that certain flowering plants, like chrysanthemums and peace lilies, can filter out harmful toxins, thereby purifying our indoor air. It's fascinating that these delicate blossoms are hardworking environmental caretakers. Growing flowers has the ability to bring a unique kind of joy to our lives. one that is often unexpected. The magic of parent of plant parenthood lies in the fact that you are nurturing a living thing, watching it grow and thrive under your care. It's a beautiful feeling to see that first sprout emerge from a seed that you planted, and or to see the first bud on a flower that you've been tending to for weeks. This process can be incredibly rewarding and can help us connect to nature in a way that we have not experienced before. Additionally, caring for plants can also teach us patience, responsibility, and dedication. It can help us also appreciate the small things in life and find beauty in the everyday. When you see, buy, receive, grow flowers, dopamine is released, and it makes you feel better. It also evokes that feeling that something special is on your way. Dopamine is often called pleasure hormone. A man named John Harrigan had this quote: happiness held is the seed. Happiness shared is the flower. Stress levels related to depression are decreased by having flowers. Whether it is in your outdoor garden or in your home or going to visit a botanic garden. Mm-hmm. There are several health benefits to planting a flower garden as well. It is a great means of exercise, especially for the middle-aged and elderly. Garden aids in strength and flexibility due to the bending, lifting, and stretching required. Digging, weeding, watering, and edging amount to a great workout. Gardening can actually boost your immunity by working in and around the soil. You're exposing yourself to common bacteria and microbes. This allows your body to build up its immune system by creating antibodies. So don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. It can improve your cognitive and emotional health. And research shows that it can cut the risk of Alzheimer's in half and boost brain power, brain volume. The beautiful colors and sweet smells of a flower garden can help improve your mood and help you relax. Flower gardening may also trigger pleasant memories in patients suffering from dementia and cognitive decline. Have you smelled the flower today? When you look out your kitchen window, are there flowers growing? They help you smile while you're doing your chores. If you don't have a garden or any flowers growing, don't be afraid to go to Safeway and buy yourself a bouquet. While you're at it, buy an extra one to give to a friend. Have you smelled the flower today?